Okay, y'all, here's Sabina driving on the 1st of June. She's been practicing almost 2 hours how to drive a stick. Let's see if she really knows what she's doing now. I'm gonna fall asleep while the camera is rolling on her. Okay. Are you ready? We here at the Illinois Beach Resort. That's Sabina driving my truck. See how she's doing. The waves is hot today. She went a little bit too fast around that corner, but it's all good. Look how she's shifting. Oh yeah, girl. Yes, I'm her stepdad, and I think it's time for her to learn how to drive a stick. Yep. She's trying to drive my stick before we leave. Me and her mom leave to go to, you know where, right? On vacation. But earlier she was just driving on the brakes. So now she has to do another round. Look at that shifting, boy. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay. She's getting it. She's getting it. It takes time, but you can learn how to drive a stick in one day. A stick. If you already know how to drive, then just to drive a stick. Whenever you're ready.
Now you gotta record me officially because I think I'm good
Wait,
now.
come on.
Oh.
It's still recording.
My bad.
Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Is it in first?
We driving in the Nissan. Yeah, let's go. She's driving in the Nissan Frontier. Okay, so now. Uh-oh. It's a neutral.
Oh,
It's a neutral. So now she's fenced the bag up.
Oh, we are? Okay. Oh, was that bad? What was that noise? Did you hear it?
That's good. It's good.
Oh,
Come on.
okay.
It was in gear. We're bagging up, folks. This car needs some new parts. That's why it's sounding like that. She's doing good. The real test is if she's ready to drive us home.
Oh, I like this song.
So that's how she's doing it, y'all.